So I'll be showing you how to fix a problem with blurry Instagram Reels, Instagram posts, and even Instagram stories. So you have high quality videos or photos, but when you post them to Instagram, they are low quality and blurry. So to fix that problem, you just need to change something in the settings. So if you tap on your profile icon in the bottom right, and then on your profile page, tap on the three-line button, that should open the settings and activity page. Now here, you want to scroll down to somewhere near the bottom where you'll see your app and media section, and you're looking for data usage and media quality. Tap on that, and then what you want to do is turn on this option that says upload at highest quality. So when you turn that on, it means whatever you upload, whether it's photos for Instagram stories or videos or even Instagram reels, they're going to get uploaded in the highest quality possible. Now, of course, if you shoot videos in 4K, they'll have to be downgraded to 1080p, which is the maximum Instagram can take. So if you leave this on, it's gonna do its best job to maintain as high quality as possible. Okay, so that is basically how to do that. Now the other thing you can also do is to enable, or rather disable, data saver, because when you disable data saver, then Instagram does not preload reels and photos for you to see. So if you're watching quickly and you're trying to scroll through Instagram Reels with this enabled, then you might see some grainy video because they haven't loaded properly. Okay, so those are the two ways you can fix that problem where you have grainy or blurry Instagram videos, Instagram Reels, and Instagram stories. Thanks for watching and good luck.